First, to access the stance lock, we need to hit this More button near at the top of our main page, and then you see the little stance lock toggle down there. Stance lock allows users to rest in a standing position with their Kneuro knee flexed between 20 degrees and 40 degrees with a 2-second hold, preventing further flexion. Now we're going to toggle that on and then hit apply. So now that the stance lock is toggled on, I can safely initiate it whenever I want, just by, first I like to make sure I have the foot flat on the ground, not standing on the curb or anything like that, and then flexing the knee for 2 seconds between 20 and 40 degrees. And now the knee is locked, I can relax on it. So if I'm standing in line at the store or, in the kitchen working on things, this is an easy lock for me to engage and initiate. And then when I need to release it, I just go back to extension. Next, you have the manual lock using our control button. So you want to make sure that you have the knee fully extended here so I don't have any flexion at my socket. And then it's just holding that button for 2 to 3 seconds. Now the knee is fully locked, so I can't go anywhere. It's gonna support me no matter what at that fully extended angle. And then to release that again, you just wanna push that button for 1 to 2 seconds. I get an audible beep and a vibration, and now I know that the knee is ready to walk again. To some of our extra modes, we're going to hit this custom mode tab in the top right, and then you've got a couple options here. First, you see the quick access tag, and so we're going to hit that, and then it comes up telling you that this is a clinician app, and if you hit this button, it'll allow the patient to have access to it. So we're going to hit OK, and then we're going to go into the cycling mode, and we're going to hit enable, that little toggle button, and then we are going to back out. Now we're going to drag our cycling mode down to that quick access mode and then leave that connected. You can also switch these modes here through the app. So we're going to click on cycling and then hit confirm, and then the knee will give 3 audible beeps and some vibrations, and it switches over to our cycling. And then once it backs out of this page, you can see it has highlighted that that is the current setting. And then just to switch back to our standard, same thing, clicking on it and then confirming that we're back in the standard mode. Working off of the control button, we also have our mode switch. So we've set up our cycling as our backup quick access mode. So to access that without having to pull out the app, I can just go down to the button, make sure I'm fully extended, double click here, and then I get a beep, 3 beeps and vibrations as well. And now I am in a cycling mode. So the knee is free swinging. So if I were to get on a bike now, I can pedal and not have to worry about it. And then getting off the bike again, you just want to double click that. And then once those audible beeps are finished, your 3 seconds, now I know I'm back into a walking mode. The knee is supported so I can move.